guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. It'll take you literally a second. Please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for always coming back. As you probably read, I've tried to make my childhood dream come true. Growing up, I was obsessed with Kareena Kapoor. I was so obsessed that I would force people into agreeing with me that yes, you kind of look like Kareena Kapoor, but obviously now I know I don't look anything like her. I agree, I'm not claiming, but I've just tried to recreate a look. I was looking at a couple of pictures of hers for me to recreate, and I stumbled upon this picture and I was like, this is it, this is what I want to do. What do you guys think? Do you think I did a good job? Like, let me try and make my face like that. Okay, I can't do that. Maybe if I sit in a certain angle, I look like her. No, it's not gonna happen. I tried, okay? But yeah, please keep watching to find out how I did this look. As usual, I have moisturized and primed my skin. Also, please excuse my hair. I will fix it at the end. I'm just gonna do the usual color correcting under my eyes and around my mouth now. Now from the pictures, I get a feeling like she has a very sheer coverage. Like it's not like too heavy or matte. So I'm gonna use the Naked Skin foundation. This foundation is actually really nice if all you want to do is just, even out your skin tone and you don't have a lot of like scars or, acne marks to cover up. Now I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape and fix my under eyes. Now I'm going to take a much lighter concealer. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define. Just going to pop it right over here. And a little bit on my nose. Doing this really brings out your under eye, and I just feel like some people have that deep set eye thing. I just feel like this just takes that away since we have that lighter color over here. Now we need to contour and create some fake cheekbones because I ain't got any. She definitely has like higher cheekbones. I don't, clearly. So I'm gonna contour slightly above than where I would usually. Just like that. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. She definitely does not have a forehead like mine, so I'm gonna contour it. Also gonna contour my jawline a little bit. Now taking a nice fat brush, I'm gonna start blending it in. I don't want to take away the intensity of the contour, so I'm not gonna like go crazy over here. I'm just gonna like tap it in. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but trust me, we'll fix it. Now I'm gonna take the lighter concealer, clean up that contour just for a sharper look. Now I'm just gonna blend it out very lightly. Like obviously you don't want to have this straight line on your face, but you don't want to take away that sharpness. I'm just gonna take that contour brush and go in just so that it's not that harsh. And we have cheekbones! Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using MAC Studio Fix. I'm not going too heavy with it. Clearly in the picture you can see like her skin is still like breathing and like very dewy. So I'm just gonna very lightly set my face and concentrating mostly just under my eyes. I'm also going to be using the Kohled bronzer above our contour. From the picture, I feel like she's not wearing any blush, but just some sort of a rosy highlighter. So I'm just going to use the Milani Baked Blush as a blush and a highlight. She definitely has something on her nose, so I will do that too. Now we need to move on to her eyebrows. Before that, I just want to like keep this hair away from my face. Her eyebrows are very like feathery and like, nice. Nothing like mine. So I'm going to use a powder to just make it look feathery. I'm going to start by just filling them in and then try and achieve that shape. So they don't look completely alike, but we need to make them work. So yeah, now moving on to the eyes. I think the main component of her eye look is that smoked out wing, but she does have something going on in her crease and her eyelids. Like, I'm sorry if I keep looking over here because I'm looking at her picture. So for the eye look, I'm going to be using the chocolate palette from Too Faced. For the crease, I'm going to be using this really warm shade, and I'm just going to go into the crease with it and blend towards my brow bone. The transition shade is like really subtle in most of the pictures, so I'm gonna keep it that way. There might be some fallout, so I'm just gonna like bake under my eyes. Now I'm gonna use the shimmery shade all over my eyelids. It's not very intense, so I'm just gonna like drag it along with my fingers. Once the color is there, I'm just gonna take the first brush and blend once again. Now with an eyeliner pen, I'm just gonna line my upper eyelids. I'm not going to be creating the wing right now. Now I'm gonna take this nice dark shade to smoke up that liner. I'm gonna start by using an angled brush to just deposit that darker shade on top of my eyeliner and then smoke it out using another brush. Now I'm gonna start taking it slightly above my liner. Now taking a nice clean tapered brush. This is not that clean, but we need to make it work. Going back into that dark shade, we need to like nicely smoke up that liner. Now we need to move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to use that same darker shade on my lower lash line as well. After that, I'm going to take this deep red shade to just smoke up my lower lash line. Now to create the wing, I'm just going to extend my lower lash line towards my eyebrows using that dark shade on my angled brush. Just like that. Now I need to connect it to the eyeliner on my upper eyelids. Now I'm just going to take this matte highlighter shade and just highlight my brow bone. So I did it. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Now I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye and be right back. So I managed to get both my eyes almost the same. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I'm just going to line my lower waterline using a cream colored pencil. This just brings out the smokiness a little bit more. I'm not sure if she has done that. Her eye color is obviously very light and that just automatically brings out that, smokiness. So instead of that, I've just used this pencil. In the picture, it doesn't look like she's used any fake lashes. So I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. We are almost done. I'm just going to whisk away that powder. Now for the lipstick, I feel like she's wearing something really like nude but still has a little bit of an orangey undertone. I don't know, I'm just figuring it out from the picture. So I'm going to use a taupe from MAC. What she's wearing is definitely not this intense, so I'm just going to like take away some of that pigmentation. Still not looking that right, so I'm just going to take a little bit of a concealer. So I just have a little bit on the back of my hands. I'm just going to like dab it onto my lips now. I'm going to go on top of that with a butter gloss from NYX. Her lips are not matte, so I'm just going to like gloss it up. That is it. Now I'm going to fix my hair. Clearly, I'm wearing extensions. The extension and my original hair color has nothing to do with each other because I bought this when I had like really, extremely colored hair. And now it's just looking weird, but I'm gonna make it work, okay? Now do I look like Kareena Kapoor? Obviously can't stay like that for too long, but yeah. So this was just me trying to recreate one of her looks. I know I don't look like her or anything, and I'm not claiming to look like her also anymore. I used to do that. If you guys enjoyed watching this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye guys!